Look, it's Priyanka and I'm back again with my question answer round of chapter The Enchanted Pool. So आपका जो पहला पैरा है वो था युधिष्ठिर waited his voice and wept. What had Yudhishthir brother gone in search for? युधिष्ठिर के भाई किसकी तलाश में गए थे? युधिष्ठिर brother had gone in search of water. युधिष्ठिर के भाई पानी की तलाश में गए थे. What fear struck Yudhishthir's mind when his brother did not came back? युधिष्ठिर के दिमाग में क्या भय आया जब उनके भाई वापस नहीं आए? When Yudhishthir's brother did not came back, he feared either they have been subjected to any curse or they still were wandering the forest in search of water. They had fainted or died of thirst. जब युधिष्ठिर के भाई वापस नहीं आते हैं तो वे भयभीत हो गए कि या तो उन्हें किसी ने श्राप दे दिया है या अब तक वे लोग पानी की तलाश में घूम रहे हैं या तो वे बेहोश हो गए और प्यास के कारण मर गए. Why did युधिष्ठिर gave up waiting for them? युधिष्ठिर ने उनका इंतज़ार करना क्यों छोड़ दिया? युधिष्ठिर gave up waiting for his brother because he could not bear the fearful thoughts about him any longer. युधिष्ठिर ने भाइयों का इंतज़ार करना छोड़ दिया क्योंकि वे अपने भाइयों के बारे में आए भयानक विचारों को और आगे सहन नहीं कर सके. What made Yudhishthir weep? युधिष्ठिर क्यों रोने लगे? When Yudhishthir saw his brother lying his fagulps, then he unable to restrain his grief, he lifted his voice and wept. जब युधिष्ठिर ने अपने भाइयों को निढाल पड़े देखा तो वे अपने दुख को रोक न सके और उनको गला रंग दिया और वे रोने लगे. He touched the face belongs to me. So ये पूरे पैरा के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है. What happened to युधिष्ठिर ब्रदर? युधिष्ठिर के भाई को क्या हुआ था? युधिष्ठिर brothers had lain dead. युधिष्ठिर के भाई मृत्यु पड़े थे. What did युधिष्ठिर mourn? युधिष्ठिर दुखित क्यों थे? Seeing his brother lay still and silent, युधिष्ठिर mourned. अपने भाइयों को निढाल पड़े देख युधिष्ठिर दुखित हुए. What did he wonder to see helpless, mighty limbs of his brother? अपने भाइयों की शक्तिशाली प्रत्यंगों को असहाय देखकर उसे क्या आश्चर्य हुआ? To see helpless, mighty limbs of his brother, Yudhishthir wondered who would have been powerful enough to kill them. अपने भाइयों के शक्तिशाली अंग प्रत्यंगों को असहाय देखकर युधिष्ठिर को आश्चर्य हुआ कि कौन इतना शक्तिशाली हो सकता है कि उन्हें मार सके. What made युधिष्ठिर descend into the pool? युधिष्ठिर को सरोवर की तरफ कौन खींच रहा था? युधिष्ठिर overpowering thirst made him descend into the pool. युधिष्ठिर की तीव्र प्यास उसे सरोवर की ओर खींच रही थी. Whose voice was it warned युधिष्ठिर? किसकी आवाज़ थी जिसने युधिष्ठिर को चेतावनी दी? The voice was over the pool, the yaksha that warned युधिष्ठिर. आवाज़ सरोवर के मालिक यक्ष की थी जिसे युधिष्ठिर को चेतावनी दी. Now the third question. It did not take till solitary journey after that. What did युधिष्ठिर understand in no time? युधिष्ठिर को क्या समझने में अधिक समय नहीं लगा? युधिष्ठिर understood in no time that these were the words of yaksha. युधिष्ठिर ने यह समझने में अधिक समय नहीं लगाया कि यह शब्द यक्ष के हैं. What did युधिष्ठिर do to bring his brother back to life? अपने भाइयों को पुनर्जीवित करने के लिए युधिष्ठिर ने क्या किया? To bring his brothers back to life, युधिष्ठिर became ready to answer the question of yaksha. अपने भाइयों को पुनर्जीवित करने के लिए युधिष्ठिर यक्ष के प्रश्नों के उत्तर देने के लिए तैयार हो गए. What according to युधिष्ठिर rescue man in danger? युधिष्ठिर के अनुसार खतरे में इंसान को कौन बचाता है? According to युधिष्ठिर, courage rescue man in danger. युधिष्ठिर के अनुसार खतरे में इंसान को साहस बचाता है. What is a swifter than wind? हवा से भी तेज चलने वाला क्या है? Mind is swifter than wind. हवा से भी ज़्यादा तेज चलने वाला मन है. What is more faded than a dried straw? सूखी घास से भी अधिक मुरझाया हुआ क्या होता है? A sorrow stricken heart is more faded than a dried straw. दुख से डूबा हुआ हृदय सूखी घास से भी अधिक मुरझाया होता है. Who accompanies man in death? मृत्यु के समय कौन साथ देता है? धर्म accompanies man in death. मृत्यु के समय धर्म साथ देता है. Which is the biggest vessel is the greatest wonder? What is the biggest vessel as told by युधिष्ठिर? युधिष्ठिर द्वारा बताया गया सबसे बड़ा बर्तन कौन सा है? द अर्थ इज द बिगेस्ट वेसल एज युधिष्ठिर बाई टोल्ड बाई युधिष्ठिर. युधिष्ठिर द्वारा बताया गया सबसे बड़ा बर्तन पृथ्वी है. वट इज़ हैप्पीनेस? प्रसन्नता क्या है? हैप्पीनेस इज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ गुड कंडक्ट. अच्छे आचरण का परिणाम ही प्रसन्नता है. आफ्टर गिविंग अप वॉट अ मैन इज लव्ड बाय ऑल. क्या छोड़ने के बाद मनुष्य को सबका स्नेह प्राप्त होता है? आफ्टर गिविंग अप प्राइड अ मैन इज लव्ड बाय ऑल. घमंड छोड़ने के बाद मनुष्य को सबसे स्नेह प्राप्त होता है. बाय गिविंग अप व्हाट अ मैन बिकेम रिच. क्या छोड़ने से मनुष्य धनवान हो जाता है? बाय गिविंग अप ग्रीड अ मैन बिकेम रिच. लालच छोड़ने से मनुष्य धनवान हो जाता है. What is a loss which yields joy and not sorrow? किस किसका नशा होने से दुख के स्थान पर सुख प्राप्त होता है? लॉस ऑफ एंगर yields joy and not sorrow. क्रोध का नाश होने से दुख के स्थान पर सुख प्राप्त होते हैं. What makes one a real ब्राह्मण? कौन सी वस्तु किसी व्यक्ति को वास्तविक ब्राह्मण बनाती है? गुड कंडक्ट अलोन मेक्स वन रियल ब्राह्मण. अच्छे आचरण व्यक्ति को वास्तविक ब्राह्मण बनाते हैं. What is the greatest wonder in the world? संसार के सबसे बड़ा आश्चर्य क्या है? Everybody, every day, men see creature depart to Yama kingdom, and yet those who remain want to live forever. This is the greatest wonder in the world. प्रत्येक दिन मनुष्य प्राणियों को यमलोक जाते हुए देखते हैं, फिर भी जो जीवित है वे अनंत काल तक जीवित रहने की लालसा रखते हैं. यही संसार का सबसे बड़ा आश्चर्य है. क्वेश्चन 5. Does the yaksha put either of these two? Did Yudhishthir answer the yaksha question satisfactory? क्या युधिष्ठिर ने यक्ष के प्रश्नों का संतोषजनक ढंग से उत्तर दिया? Yes, Yudhishthir answered the yaksha's question satisfactory. हाँ, युधिष्ठिर ने यक्ष के प्रश्नों का संतोषजनक ढंग से उत्तर दिया. Which of his brother did Yudhishthir choose to be alive? युधिष्ठिर ने अपने कौन से भाई को जीवित करने के लिए चुना? युधिष्ठिर चूज नकुल टू बी अलाइव. युधिष्ठिर ने नकुल को जीवित करने के लिए चुना. What made यक्षा प्लीड? यक्ष क्यों प्रसन्न हुआ? The यक्षा was pleased with the answer of युधिष्ठिर. यक्ष युधिष्ठिर के उत्तर सुनकर प्रश्न हुए. What did यक्षा ask युधिष्ठिर about his choice to have नकुल alive? नकुल के जीवित करने के लिए चुनने पर यक्ष ने युधिष्ठिर से क्या पूछा? यक्षा asked युधिष्ठिर the reason why he chose Nakul to be alive. यक्ष ने युधिष्ठिर के कारण पूछा कि उसने नकुल को ही जीवित रखने के लिए क्यों चुना. युधिष्ठिर replied he disappointed. What is the shield of a man according to युधिष्ठिर? युधिष्ठिर के अनुसार मनुष्य की ढाल क्या है? According to युधिष्ठिर, dharma is the shield of man. According to Yudhishthir, who will be a man to be ruined? According to Yudhishthir, if dharma is given up, a man will be ruined. Who are two wives of Yudhishthir's father? युधिष्ठिर के पिता की दो पत्नियां कौन हैं? Kunti and Madri are the two wives of Yudhishthir's father. What reason did Yudhishthir give about his choice of Nakul alive? Yudhishthir gave a reason about his choice of Nakul to be alive, that he wanted to follow his dharma by reviving Nakul, the son of Madri. Who was Yaksha actually? वास्तव में यक्ष कौन थे? The Yaksha actually was Yama, the lord of death. How did Yaksha reward Yudhishthir? यक्ष ने युधिष्ठिर को किस प्रकार पुरस्कृत किया? The Yaksha the most pleaded with Yudhishthir impartially, and all his brother revived. Long answer question. What happened to all Yudhishthir's brother? युधिष्ठिर के सभी भाइयों को क्या हुआ था? Yudhishthir was the eldest of 5 brothers. They all were living in exile. One day they felt overpowering thirst. So 4 brothers of Yudhishthir started in search of water. They had to pass through the forest full of bear, deer, and wild birds. Ultimately, they reached a pool of water. They wanted to drink the water. At once, the bodiless voice warned them to answer his question. Without answering his question, they decided to drink the water. But they did not pay heed of his word and wanted to drink water, so he killed them. Yudhishthir 5 भाइयों से सबसे बड़े थे। वे सब वनवास में रह रहे थे। एक दिन उन्हें तीव्र प्यास लगी, अतः युधिष्ठिर के चारों भाई पानी की तलाश में निकल पड़े। उन्हें भालुओं, हिरन तथा जंगली पक्षियों के भरे हुए जंगल से होकर निकलना पड़ा। आखिरी में वे पानी के एक तालाब पर पहुंचे। वे पानी पीना चाहते थे, तभी बिना शरीर की आवाज़ ने उन्हें चेतावनी दी कि उनके प्रश्न के उत्तर दिए बिना वो पानी नहीं पी सकते। किंतु उन्होंने शब्दों पर ध्यान नहीं दिया और पानी पीना चाहा, अतः उन्हें मार डाला। Who was Yaksha? Why did he came to test युधिष्ठिर without form? यक्ष कौन थे? वे युधिष्ठिर की परीक्षा लेने के लिए अपने वेश के बिना क्यों आए थे? यक्ष was Yama, Lord of Death. He had taken the form of Yaksha to see and test Yudhishthir and the eldest of five. Yudhishthir was known as Dharmraj, so Yaksha wanted to check the quality of Yudhishthir. So that for this he asked many questions to him rapidly. Yudhishthir answered all the questions of Yaksha wisely. Yaksha was pleased by the answer of Yudhishthir. यक्ष मृत्यु के देवता यम थे। उन्हें उन्हें पांचों भाइयों में से सबसे बड़े युधिष्ठिर को देखना और उनकी परीक्षा के लिए यक्ष के रूप धारण कर लिया। युधिष्ठिर धर्मराज के नाम से ही जाने जाते थे, अतः यह युधिष्ठिर के गुणों की जांच करनी चाहते थे। इसलिए इसके लिए उन्होंने युधिष्ठिर की तेजी से प्रश्न पूछे। युधिष्ठिर ने यक्ष के सभी प्रश्नों का बुद्धिपूर्वक उत्तर दिया। यक्ष युधिष्ठिर के प्रश्नों से प्रश्न थे, उत्तरों से प्रश्न से। What question did the Yaksha ask Yudhishthir? यक्ष ने युधिष्ठिर से क्या प्रश्न पूछे? यक्ष put up many questions to Yudhishthir. In these questions are included: what rescue man in dangers? By the study of which science does a man become wise? Why is swifter than wind? What is more fated than a dried straw? What befriends a traveler? Who is friend of who? And who stays at home? Who accompanied a man at death? Who is the greatest vessel? Which is the greatest vessel? What is happiness? What makes one a real Brahman? And so on. Give a character sketch of Yudhishthir, an impartial and injustice loving person, a loving brother. Yudhishthir was the eldest of all Pandavas. He loved all of them greatly. They had been living in exile while Yudhishthir saw his brother lying dead. He could not bear their separation. He cried loudly and moaned. Brave and intelligent, Yudhishthir was a brave man. He could face any situation. He was very intelligent also. He also answered all questions satisfactorily asked by Yaksha as an impartial. When Yaksha asked Yudhishthir about the brother he could life to revive, Yudhishthir asked Nakul to revive. Thus Yudhishthir proved that he was impartial. Love for justice. Yudhishthir loved justice very much. So he chose Nakul to revive that in the scale of justice should be even. Yudhishthir know as Dharmaraja for the love for justice. Why did Yudhishthir Nakula to be alive? In search of his brother, Yudhishthir searched the same pool where he wanted to drink water. He also heard the same warning that his brother had heard. His brother was lying dead near the pool, but Yudhishthir answered the question of Yaksha. Yaksha was most pleased by his answer, so he became ready to revive one of his brother of his choice. Yudhishthir chose Nakul, the son of Madri, because the son of Kunti was alive. So Kunti was not completely buried. In order to keep the scale of justice even, he wanted to revive Madri's son Nakul. How did Yudhishthir proved himself impartially? When Yudhishthir reached near the pool, he saw his brother lying dead on the ground. He heard a voice without form which warned him. This was the voice of Yaksha. He asked him to answer his question. Yudhishthir answered all the question of Yaksha. Yaksha was pleased by his answer, so he became ready to revive one of his brother of his choice. Yudhishthir chose Nakul, the son of Madri, because he, the son of Kunti, was alive. So Kunti was not completely buried. In order to keep the scale of justice, he wanted to revive Madri's son Nakula. Thus he proved himself impartial. Short answer question. Who was Yudhishthir? Yudhishthir कौन था? Yudhishthir was the eldest son of all Pandavas. He was known as Dharmaraja. Where did all the brothers gone? ये उनके सभी भाई कहाँ जा चुके थे? His all brothers are gone in search of water. Why does his brother did not return? उनके भाई लौट क्यों नहीं वापस लौटे? His brother did not return because they had lied dead. What doubt were bothering Yudhishthir when his brother did not come? Yudhishthir doubted whether his brother might have fainted or died of thirst, or might they have been subjected to curse or still wandering in forest of water. These thoughts bothering Yudhishthir when his brother did not come. Why did Yudhishthir find when he reached near the pool? Yudhishthir reached near the pool, he found his brother lying dead. What did Yudhishthir mourn? Seeing his brother lying dead on the ground, Yudhishthir mourned. Why did Yudhishthir descend into the pool? Yudhishthir descended into the pool to quench his empowering thirst. Who stopped Yudhishthir from drinking water? Yaksha, the owner of the pool, stopped Yudhishthir from drinking water. What did the Yaksha tell Yudhishthir about the death of his brother? Yaksha told Yudhishthir that his brother did died because they did not heed his word and wanted to drink water before answering the question. Why is a mind said swifter than the wind? Mind is described as swifter than the wind because it reflects idea within a moment. How can a person become rich and loved by all according to Yudhishthir? According to Yudhishthir, by giving up desire, a person can become rich, and by giving up pride, it can be loved by all. What is the greatest surprise in the world? Every day, men see creatures depart to Yama kingdoms, and yet those who remain want to live forever. This truth is greatest for wonders. Who did Yudhishthir want Nakul to alive? Why did Yudhishthir want Nakul to be alive? Yudhishthir wanted Nakul to be alive because his father has two wives, Kunti and Madri. He himself was a son of Kunti was alive, so Kunti was not completely bereaved. In order to keep the scale of justice, he wanted to revive Madri's son Nakula. What quality Yudhishthir pleaded Yaksha the most? Yudhishthir's love of justice pleaded Yaksha the most. Thank you. Now, the antonyms: curse, bless, misfortune, fortune, powerful, weak, rapidly, slowly, courage, discourage, alive, dead, justice, injustice, pleased, angry. Now, using these three words, use preface. आपको prefix use करना है. Miss, fortune, appear, disappear, patient, impatient, happy, unhappy, revive, power, overpower. Thank you.